dear science teachers. As you know, today we are going to celebrate Virtual International Mother Earth Day in our school. Do you know what is its importance? Okay, I will tell you. International Mother Earth Day provides an opportunity to raise global public awareness of the challenges to the well-being of the planet and all the life it supports. Let's do an activity to celebrate this day. The name of this activity is Grow a Plant. So, first step for growing plant is preparation of soil. To get a higher germination rate, we use a mixture of 70% cocoa peat and 30% organic manure. Then we add 1 tablespoon of fungicide in it. Why we added fungicide? To avoid any fungus growth. Now mix them well before use. Now fill the pot with soil mixture and leveled it. It means that we will press the soil with any flat object to make an even surface. Now you can have a look over there that the surface of the soil is completely leveled. Now moisten the potting mix thoroughly. Dear students, make sure that soil mix should be completely wet. Now you can see our soil is ready. Now we will take a pot. Make sure that our pot has drainage hole at the bottom because seeds will get corroded without drainage. Here, next step is sowing of seeds. But before sowing, we have to check the quality of seeds first. For this, we will perform a test. Take a beaker or container, fill it with water and pour the seeds into it. Observe the seeds carefully. Here you can see some seeds are floating on water and some seeds settle down at the bottom of the beaker. What does it mean? It means that floating seeds are damaged ones as they become hollow and lighter due to lack of nutrients. And the seeds which are at the bottom of the container are healthy, clean and of good variety, and they give us good yield and production. Now, after quality checking of seeds, carefully take out the seeds from the seed pack and sprinkle them on the soil surface. Make sure that it is evenly distributed and avoid overlapping of seeds. Now cover the seeds with the same potting mix. Do not bury the seeds too deep. Just cover them with a fine layer of potting mix. By doing this, we can get a better germination. Gently press the soil to form the seeds, otherwise they will change their position when watered. Again water the seeds and mix gently with spray or shower. Now keep the pot in full sunlight and give water when soil feels dry to touch. Now whole process of sowing of seed is done. So keep watching and must care of these seeds. You will observe that after few days or week, small sapling of the seed will come out. You can also transplant in other large size pot. Now you have to note down your observations and that how much time does it require for a seed to become a plant. You can see so many examples of seeds like aloe vera, marigold, daisy, coriander, chili, etc. You can grow at your home also. So you can also grow medicinal plants, vegetables, and prepare a little kitchen garden at your home. This is your project, dear students. So you have to click the pictures stepwise and paste pics on your scrapbook and make a project, and you will get marks on that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Go green and make our earth a beautiful place to live. Thank you. Have a nice day.